this question is all about quadratic equations. So part A is a key fact we just need to know, which is that the sum of the roots is minus b over a. So that's in this case 4 over 2, which is 2. And the product of the roots is c over a, which in this case is 5 over 2. Okay, so now we're on the quadratic equation which has these roots. So what happens, the root's been transformed. So the new root is 3 times the old root minus 1. If we then rearrange that to get x, we get y plus 1 divided by 3 equals x. And this is what we can substitute in to get a new equation. So 2 y plus 1 over 3 squared minus 4 y plus 1 over 3 plus 5 equals 0. And then let's expand all that. It's quite usual though you want integers, so multiply through by 9. The alternative here is, instead of doing that, you could find the sum of the new roots, which is going to be the same as 3 times alpha plus beta minus 2. So that's 3 times 2 minus 2, which is 4. And then you could find the product of the new roots. So that's 3 at 9. Right, sub in the values we know. Okay, and then you reuse the fact that x squared minus the sum of the roots times x plus the product equals 0. So x squared minus the sum of the new roots plus the product equals 0. So 2x squared minus 8x x plus 35 equals 0, which, as you can see, agrees with our answer using the alternative method. So you've got a choice of methods there. Okay, in part C, take note it wants to find a cubic equation. So let's work out our different parts. Our sum. Right, so that can be simplified to 2 lots of alpha plus beta. So that's going to be 2 times 2 equals 4. Then we want our sum in pairs. So that's going to be alpha times beta plus alpha times alpha plus beta plus beta times alpha plus beta. So that's, let's do this on the line below. That's going to, we've got alpha beta, we already know what that is. And then I've got alpha times alpha plus beta, and I've got plus beta times alpha plus beta. So that's going to be alpha beta plus beta squared, or if you're not sure, you can expand that and factorise it again. So that's going to be 5 over 2 plus 2 squared. So 4 plus 5 over 2 13 over 2. And then I want the product, which will be alpha, beta, gamma, what the three roots are. So alpha, beta times alpha plus beta. Okay, so alpha beta is 5 over 2, alpha beta is 2, so that's going to be 5. Right, once I've got all my parts, so for cubic, it's going to be x cubed minus the sum times x squared plus the sum of the pairs times x minus the product equals 0. So that's 2x cubed minus 8. That minus 8x squared plus 13x minus 10 equals 0.